Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread juice. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of stale rye bread cut into small 1-inch cubes. Next, measure out 2 liters of filtered water and 50 grams of sugar. Finally, have 5 grams of active dry yeast ready. These simple items are the foundation for our unique beverage, ensuring a rich and authentic flavor profile. Let's get started with the preparation steps. Now, let's prepare the bread. Toast your rye bread cubes in an oven until they are a nice golden brown. This step adds depth to the flavor. Once toasted, transfer the bread into a large, clean container. Carefully pour 2 liters of hot, but not boiling, water over the bread. Allow this mixture to soak for about 3 hours, letting the bread soften and release its essence into the water. After soaking, it's time for fermentation. First, strain the liquid from the soaked bread into a separate, clean container, discarding the solids. Next, add 50 grams of sugar and 5 grams of active dry yeast to this liquid, stirring until both are fully dissolved. Cover the container loosely with a cloth or lid to allow air circulation. Let it ferment at room temperature for approximately 24 hours, watching for small bubbles. To finish, strain the fermented liquid one last time to ensure it's clear and free of any sediment. Then, carefully bottle your homemade bread juice. Place the bottles in the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours before serving. This refreshing beverage is best enjoyed cold. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your unique, homemade bread juice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.